Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sarah Beavers, and I basically create content that is for beauty. I love skincare, I'm obsessed with skincare and mental health. So if you like it, if this is your second, third time, whatever, coming back, you should go ahead and subscribe. You should subscribe because we be chilling, we be having fun, all that in between. But today I ended up doing a video. I don't think I have it over here with me anymore. Let me go get it. So yes, the Chinese ginseng and rice face mask. Now it's winter, so I did do a hydrating routine with that, but I have been just feeling like my skin tone is very uneven. My pores have just been a mess. So I was really trying to clarify. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it and get started. So ginseng, the root, as well as the actual plant itself, is really, really good because it's great for brightening the skin and toning. Y'all know what? This goddamn ginseng or rice or whatever it got me beeped up. Can't get it off my face. Okay, so maybe the toner. So I'm gonna go in with the same line, the toner. I really do love this. And I was looking for a new toner. You know, no knocks or nothing to benefit, but that toner isn't my fave. Oh, got that in my eye. I be really wiping my face so hard. But listen, toner get it all. Toner get, when you think you got it, toner be like, you thought. Okay. All right, so now I have the hydrating water essence from E.L.F. Cosmetics. And I'm honestly excited because I was looking for a more affordable, I don't know, oh, I put it on. Oh, it smells really yummy. So I was looking for a more affordable essence and something just more accessible to people. And it's hard because I know I'll be really into skincare but I'll spend a coin, but I know people want to have great skin and stuff like that, but they don't always want to spend a coin, you feel me? But this is a lightweight water-based lotion that hydrates for healthy, glowing looking skin. This light watery texture glides onto skin to hydrate, leaving skin feeling refreshed and smooth. Infused with purified water, coconut water, and alga. So yeah, it feels good. I'm liking it. So these are two things that I just discovered, and this combo is everything. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna just show y'all. So we have the rejuvenating face. This combo is everything. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna just show y'all. So we have the rejuvenating facial oil. It's avocado and jojoba. This is by Giovanni. Ooh, but listen, y'all. This facial oil, I don't know what else to say about it. Wow. Who is she? Who is she? Glowing. Y'all don't understand. When I do my skincare in the morning, it makes me feel the same way I probably when people beat their face. We all looking good, sis. All right, so this is the vitamin C, natural boost, energizes, revitalizes, yada yada. All I know is it's thebomb.com, okay? I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be like this. But no, for real. This stuff, this little pairing be having my skin together. Okay, so recently Ulta had a, well, they're still having the skincare thing. Y'all should check it out on the website. Every day they have skincare product. What am I trying to say? every day they have skincare products, different ones that are 50% off. And this product was one of them. And honestly, I really like it. It's smooth. I love their brand just in general. So this is a hyaluronic eye cream. Oh, that's a lot, girl. That's a lot. Okay, so it's so creamy. It feels so good. Wow, that's a lot. I'm just gonna put it all around the eye. And we're just gonna spread it out because we don't waste product in this household. Period. Like, we don't. Well, I don't. I'm the one that live here, so. It's just so smooth. It feels so good. And honestly, this is a pretty large % off. And this product was one of them. And honestly, I really like it. It's smooth. I love their brand just in general. So this is a hyaluronic eye cream. It feels so good. And honestly, this is a pretty large, I paid $9 and I know it's gonna last me a long time. Like, one thing that I love about skincare is, like, quality, like, goes a long way. This was $9 with the 50% off, so regular price is a little deeper. Okay, so this is the Tatcha, the silk cream. And when I'm doing a lot of products, and especially since I started using the facial oil, I've been really liking it. Get that on the neck. What is it? What's that thing that people from Cleveland say? Neck, neck, neck. What does neck even mean again? I don't remember. What does neck mean? Ooh, my skin feels smooth, y'all. So, you know, I'm going in with the Dream Screen from Benefit because I'm so sorry. Like, you just, like, I refuse to not use sunscreen because I know it's gonna pay off in the long run. I just know it. I just know my skin about to be, listen, I'm gonna be 60, looking 40, baby. Period. Like, period. All right. So now I'm just going to finish this off with the Mario Badescu. Can someone tell me how to say this? I use so many of their products. But I'm running out. I brought more facial spray, but this is what I still am using. I don't want to... I don't see the point in using and opening up something else if I haven't finished this. So literally, I just let this all dry into the skin. And yeah, so I know I look like a wet mess right now, but that's all right. We're gonna let this dry in and then I will show you all what I'm looking like once it's all set. Okay, so this is what I'm working with now that everything's dried down. I feel very hydrated. I went ahead and, like, you know, took my hair and, because I have somewhere to go. And I'm so, y'all, it is cold outside. But either way, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you all join my YouTube endeavors. Like, that'd be great. But yes, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a really, really great week. And don't forget to make your self-care a lifestyle. Live your best life. Like, I be drinking water and, like, everything. You just gotta just whatever make you feel good. You feel me? Boom.